Hey guys, it's Fabulous TT, and I'm back with another unboxing today. As y'all can see, I got my little cute little pink dress on. I got it from Temu. Been a couple months, but I decided to put it on for the video so I can be cute in the video, whatnot. But go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be the part of TT Squad, and let's get into it. So let me get the bag. Here she is. Always see me. I love seeing you stuff, okay, y'all? Like, so I got the prices up, everything for you guys to know how much it is. And I'll give you the size that I got it. So this is the Halloween collection that I got. So I can be cute for Halloween this year. So the first thing I pull up is the shoes I got. These heels is to die for. Like, these are called Woman Solid Color Stiletto heels. I'm gonna say it's fishnet because that's what it looks like. But isn't this sexy, y'all? Like, look at this. These shoes are sexy. I got it in a size 8. I do wear a size 7, but I decided to get an 8. Because I do have acrylic toenails on my toes right now, so I need to make sure we got enough room, okay? So that's one. And here is the other. I love it that you can tie all the way to the top, which I will. And not like a high heel. That's a nice size heel for you ladies that don't know how to walk in heels. You should be able to walk in these. But again, these were $11.97 on Temu, the color black. Go ahead, caught you some. All right, the next thing I'm gonna pull out is the little Halloween dress. Look how cute that is. Look at this color, y'all. Look. Like, it's like bright orange. Oh my God, so excited. So this is called a Halloween graphic print dress casual. I got this dress, y'all, for $9.89. Like, this is so cute. I got it in a size medium. I feel like I should have got it in a size small now because it looks kind of a little big on me. But once I try it on, it probably won't be because, you know, my butt. But yeah, this is so cute. Like, look at the ghost with her legs out with her heels. They all twisting like this, walking like, that's cute. But $9.89. This is orange red in the color medium. So yeah, go ahead and get you that from Temu. All right, and the final thing I have is the stockings, guys. Like, these are called the skull pattern fishnet tights. This is what I want to see. I want to see how cute these are. I got these for $1.79. So all together, I spent $11.09. So yeah, that's about what? I can't add math right now, but that's like about $29 for everything. But this is how the tights look. Real cute. Like, let me see if I can see the skull. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just gonna take the little thing out because I'm trying to see. It says skull, so. But these are cute. Oh, I see it, guys. Y'all see it? Y'all see it. I know you do. It's right there. Right there. But yeah, these are totally cute. Totally. So, because it's finna start getting chilly, ladies. Well, you know, I'm in Florida, and, you know, it never really get cold in Florida, but I hope it start getting chilly for Halloween. Halloween is next week. But yeah, so again, these are the skull pattern fishnet tights for $1.79. The Halloween graphic dress. It does, I'm gonna wear it off the shoulders. This was $9.89. And then the last thing I got was the heels that I'm gonna wear with the dress because I'm a heels girl. Like, I'm not into tennis shoes like that. Heels and sandals, baby, all day. All day. And here are the heels again. These are so cute, y'all. Like, let me put them on for you. Let me see how they look good on my toes right quick. Let me just see. Let's see if I can. Like, baby, you can't tell me these is not cute on my foot. Like, I'm gonna be cute, y'all. Yes. So I had to pull that up, pull that down so you guys can see how cute that is on my foot. But go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be a part of TT Squad. It's Fabulous TT, and I'm out.